Amazon Prime Day is just around the corner, falling on July 12th and 13th of 2022 this year. So if you're wanting to take advantage of any of the Prime deals as a buyer but don't have a Prime membership, I actually have a link down below where you can get a whole month free of Amazon Prime. And if you're a seller, in today's video, I'm going to give you a few last-minute tips that you can implement to get your products ready for the 2-day event. If you're watching this video after Prime Day, don't click off because these tactics are still relevant and super helpful any time of the year. So the first one we're going to touch on is Helium 10's listing analyzer tool to give us a quick overview of tweaks it thinks we should make to our listing. So once you're logged into Helium 10, you're going to go up to Tools and click Listing Analyzer. Now we're going to start off by pasting your own ASIN into this search box here. So I'm going to grab an example ASIN, so I'm going to their listing page. And then if you press Control F or Command F and type in ASIN, it'll bring you right down to the product details section, and you can just copy and paste the ASIN from there. So paste it in and click Analyze. So this first section we're not going to pay attention to today, and we're going to scroll down to this Listing Quality Score Analysis. So it's giving you some tips here, and then it gives you a check mark if your listing meets the criteria, or an X if you have to make changes. So it says that this listing doesn't have 150 plus characters in each bullet point, and you can hover over this little information icon and it tells you more about the tips. So it says maximize number of relevant keywords in bullet points help improve discoverability. And it also says bullet points are not in all caps because Amazon TOS discourages using all caps. So if we go back to the listing, you'll see that the beginning of their bullet points, their sentences are in all caps. And then there's another criteria that they didn't meet. Main image is on a white background. So again, let's go back to the listing, and it's obviously not on a white background, and it should be. It is a cute photo though. Okay, and then we're going to scroll down and it gives you a market analysis, which is interesting to take a look at. It says compare selected ASINs performance to the group average and top performers in the market. So we're going to scroll down and we're going to take a look at the top keywords analysis. So it's saying top keywords are defined as those that the ASIN ranks in the top 10 organically with monthly search volume over 500. So it says that it has over 1,300 total keywords that are organically in the top 306. And then 33 keywords where the ASIN ranks between position 1 and 10. And then the total search volume for all those keywords combined generates over 1.3 million total search volume per month. And then the keywords that it's ranking between position 1 and 10 are generating over 10,000 search volume per month. So that's pretty cool to look at. And then it's giving you your top keyword phrases. So it tells you what position you're ranked in and the monthly search volume. But now what we want to do here is we're going to add the top competitors so we can discover new keywords that we can add to the listing. So I'm just searching the main keyword in Amazon and finding similar products that are doing well, opening them up in a new tab so I can copy their ASINs, and then I'm pasting them in the search box back up at the top and then click Analyze. Okay, now scroll back down to top keyword phrases, and then we're going to click See Full List of Keywords in Cerebro. And this tool is going to pull up a ton of keywords that could potentially be added to the listing. And there are filters at the top so you can filter down the results because there are 307 pages of keywords here. You can also arrange it by search volume or competing products or the Cerebro IQ score, whatever you think works best for you. And then as you go down the list, you can check mark the ones that you think you might want to use. And then you would scroll back up to the top and click Add to My List. So create a new folder name, click Save. And then what you can do is go back up to Tools and click on Scribbles. And on the left-hand side, you're going to click Upload Keywords from My List and select the folder that you just made, and then scroll down a bit and click Apply. Now, as you start to build out your listing, you have the list of phrases down at the bottom left-hand side here. And then once you've used it, it will actually cross out the phrase, and then there's a little number on the right-hand side of the phrase. So right now it says 1, but if I type it in again, it says 2. So it's telling you how many times you've used that phrase in your listing. Next, I'm going to run you through how to set up a Prime exclusive discount. But what is a Prime exclusive discount? So it is a price discount available to Prime members. Products with a Prime exclusive discount will display strike-through pricing and a savings message for Prime members in search results and on the product detail page. Prices adjusted for discounts are displayed on the detail page by box for Prime members. Okay, so to set this up, we're going to go to Menu, Advertising, Prime exclusive discount, click Create Discount. Now before we start filling out the boxes, you have to make sure that you meet the Prime Day guidelines. So item has to be available for Prime, so if you have it in Amazon's warehouse or do seller fulfilled Prime, then you should be good to go. Must meet the regular eligibility criteria, so this is essentially the non-Prime Day guidelines. We'll touch on this in a sec. Your product must have a 3.5 star rating or no rating at all. The discount must be 20% off the regular price and can be no more than 80% off the regular price. So anywhere between 20 to 80% off your regular price. The Prime exclusive discounted price must be lower than the lowest price for the ASIN in past 30 days. The Prime exclusive discounted price must be lower than the lowest price for the ASIN in the past 30 days. The lowest price in the last 30 days is the lowest order price for the ASIN in that period, including all deal, promotional, and sale prices across all merchants. And you must be a seller with at least 4 seller feedback rating when a seller rating is available. We look at the average rating over the last 365 days where there are 10 or more ratings during that period. If there are less than 10 ratings over the last 365 days, we consider the lifetime average rating. So how to find this out is you go to Menu, Performance, Feedback. So they want you to have at least a 4-star feedback rating. So if you have more than 10 in the last 365 days, they'll go off of these metrics. But if you have less than 10, then they will look at the lifetime metrics. So now let's look at the regular eligibility criteria that they mentioned earlier. So it's kind of the same as the Prime Day guidelines, but there's a few extra things that you have to follow. For example, what's mentioned in here that's different is the product must be in new condition. It can't be a restricted, offensive, embarrassing, or inappropriate product. It has to comply with customer product reviews policies. It must comply with pricing policies. And the discount price must be lower than the reference price. And then this bottom section here is just walking you through what I'm walking you through now, how to set up the discount. Now, if you feel like you meet all the criteria, let's go through how to set up the discount. Okay, so you're going to name your discount, and this is for your records only. If you want it to just be live for Prime start to Prime end, check this box. Is this a Prime Day discount? Prime Day is the 12th and 13th of July this year, so if you want your discount to also run before and after Prime Day per se, then you can select your desired dates below, then click Save and Add Products. Now you'll want to go to your inventory page because you're going to need the SKU numbers of the products that you want to offer a discount on. So enter in your SKU, the discount type, so you can do an amount off, percentage off, or fixed price. So for example, let's do 50% off. So I'm clicking percentage off and then typing in 50. Now under minimum price, say that my t-shirt sells for $24.99 and I'm offering 50% off. So say that I don't want the price to go below $12 at all. So I will enter in the minimum price as $12. And then operation is just add. And then you repeat this process for all of your SKUs and then you click submit products. Then once you're back on the Prime exclusive discounts page, you'll see your Prime exclusive discounts here. If everything was entered incorrectly, it should say scheduled. I don't think it goes through a review process, but if something is wrong, it might say suppressed or something like that. So if it says scheduled, then that's all you need to do and your discount will be live for Prime Day. Thank you so much for watching. I truly do appreciate you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like so it can spread to and help more people. If you love this video, then you will love this playlist here of my other Amazon content, or maybe you can check out this video here. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any future Amazon videos from me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!